Hello, students, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, as you already know, and tonight in this lesson, we're going to be working on a little lesson, but a very important lesson as well. We're going to be looking at Look at Me. So to look at means to direct your eyes toward someone or something in order to observe the person or thing. To look at also means to examine, consider, inspect, or analyze something. It also means to pay attention to something or to think about something in a particular way. In these cases, look is always followed by at, no matter the verb tense. So the verb tense never matters. In this lesson, I am going to give you lots of examples so that you will be able to use this verb correctly and with confidence. Here are some examples. Look at me when I'm talking to you. You see, look is followed by at. Look at the way your brother does it and do the same. Don't look at me, look at the road. The doctor looked at the results of your x-rays and everything is fine, so you have nothing to worry about. Can you stop looking at your phone while we are eating in this fancy restaurant? It is really annoying and rude. Look at that amazing sunset. And that is truly an amazing sunset. I will agree. Can you look at this document and check it for errors before I send it to the customer? We are looking at a variety of ways to increase sales in the upcoming year. Try to look at things from my perspective for a change. Wow, look at that beautiful car. And that type of car is my favorite type of car, the Corvette. I love that car. He asked me to look at his essay and to give him my thoughts and opinion. You have to look at the instructions before assembling the wall unit. She is always looking at herself in the mirror. Understandably so, she's so beautiful, so she just can't stop looking at herself, and that's okay. I'm not sure if I can attend your event. I have to look at my schedule for the week. After looking at the budget, we realized that we needed to cut costs. So you already know that if I'm doing a video on this is because there's a problem somewhere and probably the students are not pronouncing at after look. So that's why we're doing the video, to make it very clear. We say to look at. Look at that beautiful rainbow. You cannot look at your notes during the test, so be sure to study a lot. You must always look at life with a positive attitude. Look at your room. It's such a mess. Go clean it up right now. What a messy room with all these papers all over the floor and the bed's not made. Ball here and boxes there. What a mess. Need to clean it up. Look at this beautiful blouse. I just have to buy it. Look at the beautiful blue sky. Look at the contract very carefully before signing it. The mechanic doesn't have time to look at your car this morning. He will have time this afternoon. You need to look at other possible solutions. Always be sure to look at the fine print before signing anything. Can you look at my resume and offer some suggestions or improvements? Certainly. You should get some sleep now and look at this with fresh eyes in the morning. Sometimes we're just too tired and we should probably just go to bed and look at the problem again in the morning. Good idea. We spent the evening looking at old pictures and reminiscing about the good old days. That's always fun, looking at old pictures. I don't have time to look at it now. I will look at it later. My grandfather can spend hours on his rocking chair outside on the porch at night, just looking at the stars and the moon. I could sit there for hours too. Look at that beautiful view of the moon and the stars. I didn't look at the menu yet. I need a few more minutes, please. The judge will take the time necessary to look at all the evidence before making her decision. Why are you looking at your watch? Do you have an appointment? Students, please pay attention and look at the board while I explain this very important lesson. It looks difficult to me, so you should pay attention. Look at the beautiful snow-covered mountains. I must take a picture. Look at that strange building. And that is an actual building located in Las Vegas, USA. And it was built to represent the brain. It is the location of some type of brain or mental health building, clinic, something like that. But it's a real building, just like that. Look at that beautiful peacock. It is really beautiful. Okay, good. So that's it. If that video helped you, you know what to do. You can put a like on the video. You can subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, or just say hello. If you guys need to improve your English quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of, you already know, Basic English. And this is the 4th edition. I always told you to get the 3rd edition, but the 4th edition came out. So if you get a copy of this book, which is published and distributed everywhere in the world by McGraw-Hill, you will find it online anywhere and in any bookstore. You can also find it very easily on Amazon. You will start on the first page and complete every page right through to the end of the workbook. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. This will really help you to improve your English very quickly and very easily. If you guys are having trouble with your verb tenses, so many people tell me that they don't understand English verb tenses. I don't know why. It's so easy. So if you need to improve that, you can get yourselves a copy of English verb tenses, available everywhere, also online and of course on Amazon. If you get a copy of this workbook, I want you to start on the first page, complete every page right through to the end of the workbook. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. So that would be great for you. Right now, that's all I have to say. So I'm going to wish you a pleasant evening, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. So good night for now.